This is just a quick snapshot to show you how the starter looks after 24 hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, so this is now 2 days. I did take a quick video to show you what the starter looks like after 24 hours, but we're now at 48 hours. And look at that. Wow. Actually, last night, so probably at about 18 hours or 16 hours, it was starting to grow. But that is amazing. It's doing really well. Now, this might not be just yeast. This could be other things going on in there. But what we're going to do now is feed it. So we're not going to do any discarding today. The jar's a little small, so when we look at this tomorrow, it's probably going to be right up to the top. But we're going to put 30 grams of our flour into here. That is a 50-50 white to whole wheat ratio, which is what this is. 30 grams of flour, 30 grams of water added into this, stir it up, and then we'll come back in 24 hours. So I'll add a new line to where we're at, and we'll come back tomorrow. So this is the end of almost exactly 48 hours. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the scale and zero it out. And 30 grams. Okay, we went slightly over, that's fine. 30 grams of flour, 30 grams of water, get up to 60. Pretty sure we're going to have a problem with this jar being too small, but it's certainly going to be exciting to see it tomorrow, that's for sure. Okay, and then just mix it up. So no discarding at this point, just feeding. Okay, scrape it down off the sides. Okay, you can see roughly the line right here. I'll go ahead and put a mark on there with a pen. I use like a whiteboard pen so that it can be erased. And then we'll come back in 24 hours and we'll see how it's doing.